Welcome students. This is a continuation of our tutorial. Also, this is last lecture in this free tutorial. For continuation you need to be a little bit patient because paid tutorial will coming soon. Also, you can learn from other courses. You can learn from my book. And in this lecture, you will learn a few things. First, you will learn to create some layer. When you create a layer, most important thing is to know to set layer level. We will create one lower level, so we will decrease this by 2, and this level of a layer will have one element. This will be colored rectangular. Just write color in a search, pick color rectangular. Need to be under the canvas layer, so need to be subnode. As you see here, we set it right, so layer is -1, and this is okay. In this layer we will only change color. You can pick any color you like here. I think this is okay. Also, we have a few glitches in this game project. One of them is here. When you go to pickable, you get 1 point, but when you come again, you get second point, etc., etc. For this, you only need to change part of these variables here. So here we see that on the 5th place we have some kind of element, and this element is taken here, so we only need to set it right. We will write this, so tools from the 5th element is equal 0, which means there is no more elements there, which means you can go pick once 0, try to pick second time, and this glitch is solved. And that will be all in this lecture. Thank you for learning in this tutorial, for your attention, for your watching. I also invite you to subscribe to Slavs Make Games YouTube portal if you didn't. You will find there a lot of free material if you search for a free quality lectures. And as I say before, you can learn from other professional courses and my book, especially Mastering Godot. This is part of the Mastering Godot series. And again, I wish you a good day, and maybe we see each other in paid continuation of this tutorial. This will come soon on this educational platform. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.